What's going on, guys? Eric with Thewiscoguyz, and in today's video we're going to be installing, programming a key fob from Boost Auto. So if you don't know, this is my 02 Chevrolet 2500 HD Silverado, and we put a couple parts on this truck from Boost Auto. We've done the Luma steps from Boost Auto. We've done the tow mirrors from Boost Auto. So these are all in sync. So check those videos out, they're linked down below. If you want to get yourself some Boost Auto Luma Step M1s and their tow mirrors, hit the links down below. But they've sent out a key fob for these trucks that are actually the new style key fob. So this is the new style key fobs that Chevrolets use from Boost Auto. So this will program to the classic Chevys from like 99 to 07. So we're gonna get this programmed to the truck today and have that new style key fob working for this truck. Alrighty, so the current setup I have here is like factory style key fob. We're gonna program this new style key fob. The buttons are set up unlock, lock, and panic. So I'm gonna show you how to get this truck into programming mode. Now, when I bought this truck, I did not have a second key, so I ended up cutting a second key for it. So this will now be my main key fob for this truck with the new GM key for this. So this is going to be nice to have this new style key fob. Let's get this truck into programming mode. First thing you're going to want to do is put the key in the ignition and do nothing with it. Then you're going to come over to the lock unlock button, and you're going to hold the lock button down, and then at that point you're going to cycle the key 2 times. Okay, so you heard that cycle. I just programmed both the keys to the truck. Now this should work. So when you're doing this, you want to program all your keys at the same time. So now that I got both keys programmed, both of these should work. So this is the original, the main key fob. So that works. And that works too. Pretty sick. So that's pretty much how you program it. Just hold the unlock button, cycle the key twice, forward to ignition on, off, forward to ignition on, off, and then hold and press the unlock and lock button at the same time. Once it's programmed, you will hear those locks cycle like we did, and that's pretty much it. This thing's ready to rock. So jump down below into the link for Boost Auto, get your key fob today, and get the newer style key fob. I'm gonna be using this every day now, so we're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks to Boost Auto for sending this out, and hope you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Thanks, guys. Bye.